Welcome to Solid State Disks How-To Video Library Collection. Chapter 8, Solid State Disks Clone Station Usage, Part 1, Kit Contents Overview. This video gives an overview of the Clone Station kit contents. The following pictures show what's in the kit, and what their purpose is. The clone kit comes in a blue aluminium case. With the case opened, you can see how the parts are stored, with the clone station in the left pocket, and the cables etc. in the right pocket. Items unpacked from the case are as follows. Clone station. 1.2 meter 5 volt, and 12 volt power cord, to power donor drive. 32 GB compact flash card, other sizes are available on request. 2 meter, 68 pin male-to-male ribbon cable, to enable connection to a drive in a system, if required. 1 meter USB cable, to connect clone station to laptop. 0.5 meter data cable 68 pin. 50 and 68 pin to 80 pin, adapter. 68 to 50 pin, adapter. UK and European power leads. See you in part 2, preparing for cloning. Thank you for watching.